Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Marina and
This is Leon.
And today we're going to be baking chocolate cookies.
Yay!
Okay, so first we're going to start with cracking these eggs.
Ooh.
Okay, so yeah, the shell is now out, everything is good. So we are going to be putting the sugar in. There's not much sugar, so we need like one cup, and I've got this thing to measure the cup right here. Oh, yeah.
Oopsie.
It's fine. Throw that in the bin for me. Okay, so now we will need the oil. Now let's see, how much oil do we need? So hold that still for me. You see that I just went to the top. This looks so cool. Okay. And
Oh my goodness.
okay. Honey time. How much honey do we need?
Honey bread. Not a lot.
I'll estimate like 1 tablespoon. That should be enough.
Oh yeah, when we made cookies that Auntie Georgia.
Okay, now we're going to mix it. Okay, so we've been mixing off camera and it's nearly done. Just keep on whisking. Mix it. I'm going to mix it. Mixing for a second, so now I'm going to pour the sifted cocoa into the mixture. Whoosh. Okay.
That's a little bit.
So that's okay. So we've now mixed it in and it's so nice and chocolatey, isn't it? So now we're going to put self-raising flour in. I'm going to sift that flour. Okay, so so that is a lot of flour. So now I'm going to be pouring it in. Okay, hold the whisk up for 1 second. Whoa! It's like a mountain. It's like a mountain. So, now okay, so now we're just gonna this is gonna be the hard bit, mixing the dough. You're gonna start kneading it once it's the hard bit, making it done. It's getting so stiff. Oh, it's like sticking to it so much. This might even break
This
the
is
whisk.
going to be my best.
Okay, so it's all mixed now. So yeah, just clearing out the whisk. Okay. So now we're gonna have to like roll them into like little balls. Well, not this little, but bigger little. And place them on the tray. So the tray is already. Okay, so yep, we're gonna start putting them. So take them as glump. Cool. So that is our. Okay, so now we are going to put it in the oven. Stop.
Here is the oven.
Okay, can you open the oven for me, please? Oh, careful. Don't burn yourself. Oh. All done. I'm just turning it off because it is ready. Okay, move back. Oh, it smells nice. Oh.
Too hot. I need this one.
It's looking good. Oh, then we'll close it.
We made one.
Yep, they're all done, and now we're just going to be putting them on the plate.
But one more thing. Look, I done one. Look, I done one. Dance, we're dance, buddy. Dance, dance, dance.
Oh. Neo. Neo. Stop. Stop being silly.
No, no, it might be like this.
This is the final product of our chocolate cookies. Please like and subscribe to the Rona and Neo channel. Thanks for watching. Bye. This is the final product of our chocolate cookies. Please like and subscribe. Neo channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.